Okay, so let's work on something. Another one. Uh, just okay. So you double space it, get rid of all the indents. Let's say that you want to cite the movie The Tailenders because you find it relevant to your analysis of the Everett article because this is a revelation. Everett used to be a missionary, and the video talks about missionaries trying to record indigenous languages. So let's see. I will just give you the citation. You have to do some like internet research to get all the elements of the all the required elements for citing the movie. What I did first was to go to the library and oops, wrong one. There we go. And and looked up for the Tailenders title in the library catalog, and this is the data that I found out. So the director and producer and editor is Adele Horn, so she's the author, or she's the name that should be referred to in your bibliography. So you write last name Horn, comma, space, Adele, space, and then this was produced in 2005, space, and the title is The Tailenders, period. What else do you need? Let's check out the AAA Style Guide. And if you go on to page 9, number 25, it will show you how to cite audiovisual recordings and multimedia. So you have that. It says comma directors. So I'm pretty sure that Adele Horn is the director, so I just write there dir period to denotate director. What else besides the title? Okay, we have the title and we have the length. So let's see how long this video is. And it says that it's 72 minutes. So let's write that down. 72 minutes. Let's see what else do we need. Oops. Alright, so min is singular. So what else do we need? We need a distributor. And after doing some research, online research on my own, I found out that the distributor for Tailenders is New Day Films. So we just write New Day Films, period. Let's see what else do we need. Okay, the place of the publisher. And I just go down, and here we go. Harriman, New York. So let's write down Harriman, New York, period. I think I spelled that wrong. Harriman. Okay, so we need to indent the title just the way that we did for the Word citation, but let me show you a nifty trick. You don't have to go through all the mess of moving this ruler thing each time you have to cite a work. The really cool thing you can do with Word 2007 is that you can copy the format of this and then just paste it. So basically you can highlight the previous formatted citation and you click on this little thing called Format Painter that looks like a paintbrush, right? And then you just scroll down to the title that you want to format, and you notice that you get this little like paintbrush thing next to the like cursor marker, and just double click it. Just double click the line that you want to format, or single click it, and look, it formats for you. Isn't that wonderful? So alright, so there you have it. So just check the AAA Style Guide to figure out what you need to put in your works cited page. I'll be checking for accuracy when I'm grading your paper, and all the information that you need to cite. The main articles are available in the articles themselves. Okay, if some of you guys, if you also want to cite um, like online sources, we can just look at page 23, and I don't think the links on your D12 website shows you the online links. So if you want to know the URL address of any of those supplementary material, just let me know and I will give them to you. Okay. Now, let me just get to a blank page. So how do you cite in-text citations? What you need is to have the author's last name, the publication year, and the page number in parentheses. So, for example, if you are, you know, saying something, Everett argues that, Everett argues that, blah, 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 and you can do Everett and whatever his, I think it was 2005, yeah, so you type the year, parentheses, and then the page number, and you don't put any space after the colon, so comma. That's one thing. But if you mention the author's last name in the in your text, you can just put the year number and the page like that. Same goes with with quotation. So you write some kind of, you quote somebody, you close the quote, and then you provide the citation 5, and then after you provide the citation, you put the period sign. All right. So that's my short introduction and guideline for citations, and let me know if you have other questions.